Hi, I'm Andy Medore.
And I'm Nikki Cheshire. Welcome to the Penn State Today Quickcast. We begin with a health alert. Penn State and the Department of Health are looking into 3 possible mumps cases on the University Park campus and another on the Altoona campus. The potential cases at University Park are people who don't live in residence halls. Students, faculty, and staff are asked to check with their doctor to make sure they've been vaccinated. Mumps is a contagious disease passed through saliva and the respiratory system.
The third and final weekend of collecting donations for Penn State's student-run dance marathon, known as THON, has been canceled. It was set for the weekend of November 13th. The cancellation is because of safety concerns after the death of sophomore Tally Sipo in a car crash during a canning weekend in September. THON says canning will be part of next year's fundraising, but more time is needed to talk about possible changes to improve volunteer safety. Thousands of students across all Penn State campuses have a chance to give the university insight on their views about sexual misconduct and how to fight it. The Office of Student Affairs Research has sent the survey to students, and all responses are anonymous. Topics include personal experiences, campus safety, the role of alcohol in sexual misconduct, and how comfortable people feel in reporting incidents.
Anonymous surveys are the best way for us to get a good understanding of the prevalence rates of sexual misconduct and sexual violence on our campus, because we know that these types of events are underreported.
Students have until November 20th to complete the survey. It went to 11,000 students at University Park, along with others at campuses across Pennsylvania.
Scheduling is always a busy time for Penn State students on every campus. Now, the University Faculty Senate has approved changes for those adding, dropping, and repeating courses. The changes will come as the university moves to a new student information system called LionPath. The changes include removing the limit of 16 credits an undergraduate student may late drop a class, limiting the number of times a student can repeat a class to 3, and changing the period when students may drop or add full semester courses without academic penalty from 10 calendar days to 6. 2 faculty members are starting a new fellowship to grow graduate education for students in the College of Agricultural Sciences. Leland Glenna is an associate professor of rural sociology and science, technology, and society. His wife, Esther Prinz, is an associate professor of education. Together, they donated $250,000 for the fellowship in rural sociology. The Luther Glenna Graduate Fellowship will be in memory of Glenna's father, who died in 1975.
State plans a Veterans Day ceremony on the University Park campus that's set for Wednesday from 11 till noon at Old Main. The ceremony will include a 21-gun salute. That's all for the Penn State Today Quickcast.
For more, go to our website, psucommedia.com, to see student-produced news from the College of Communications. Have a great day.